today we'll solve another LeetCode question, and today we have subtree of another tree. So this is LeetCode 572. Given the roots of two binary trees, root and a subroot, return true if there is a subtree of the root within the same structure, or false if otherwise. A subtree of a binary tree is a tree that consists of a node in the tree and all of its node as its descendants. The tree could also be considered as a subtree of itself. So it's just, this one is just an extension of the same tree question. So if you guys have solved that, this should be pretty similar. So we just check if the root and the subroot are the same tree. If not, we traverse the roots towards left subnodes and then towards right subnodes. So I'll get started with the same tree functionality. So is same tree, let's just take this one. Let's just have it P and Q. So here let's get to the base condition. So if both are null, if P is null and Q null, so we have, actually this is not needed. If both are null, then return true, simple as that. And then if either one of them is null, as in the other one is not null, then we have false. And then the final case is just if their values don't match, then it's again a straight up false. They're not the same tree. Return false. So yeah, so these are the base conditions, and now we send the same function recursive call to its left and right subnodes. So we have, let me just take left as tree, rotate as same tree, tree. Yeah, let me send it to its left node. So P is left, Q is left. We have this, and then we have a right one. Now this time P is right, Q's right, and then if they have to be same tree, they have to, both of these have to have the exact match. So we'll just have return left as tree and right as tree. Hopefully that's the same tree function. And now we just use that function here. So let's come to this one's base case. So if the root is straight up null, we know that the subroot cannot be null. So if the root is null, then that's not a match. So return false. And now the best case is that if the root and subroot have like already matched. For example, let's say the subroot here is 412 and the root was also 412. It's just we don't have to do any processing there. So is same tree, root and subroot. If this is true, then directly return true. This. Now we'll take left root is equal to is, we'll call it recursively here, is subtree roots left, oh my god, subtree or subroot, sorry, subroot, and then right r is equal to subtree root right subroot. This time it has to be either or, so we can find a match in either its left subnodes or its right subnodes. So we'll just return left or right r. Hopefully that should get me somewhere. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's the issue. Okay, I should just copy paste. Okay, what is this one? Undefined behavior. P's value not equal to Q's value. False. We just handled the null case, so how PQ if P is equal to null and if P is not equal to null. P and Q, P both are true if either one. Okay. Okay, yeah, here we go. So I think this should be it. Yeah. So it is accepted. So yeah, so it was a variation of the same tree function and we could solve it. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you.